Okay, this one's kind of hard to wrap around. You have this one, and this one is good. But now this one is taking into consideration accounts receivable. And some of this accounts receivable, this $140,000, is included in the allowance already up here. So now what you have to do is find out, okay, 9% of that should be my bad debt allowance balance. So that comes to $12,600, which goes right here. But now you already have a debit balance here of $6,500, and that includes some of this $140,000. So you have to adjust the allowance account rather than just debit or credit to it. So if I am $6,500 in a debit and I need a $12,600 credit, how much do I have to credit to make that happen? Well, I would take this $12,600 and add the $6,500 and come up with $19,100, which you did. And then that would be your bad debts expense, because the accounts receivable balance has prior years adjustments in it, and that's what this $6,500 is. So that has to be taken into consideration. So that one you should be good on. This one's a little bit squirrely, but you have it. Okay, you've got this. You've put it in, okay. You received a note, and there's a couple of typos here. I apologize for that. And from a company on account, okay, so you have a note receivable. I'm not sure why you have a revenue, a notes. Okay, so it is a revenue, okay. So now, you've got this right now. Now they dishonor it. And they dishonor it because it's overdue. Okay, so they owe that 8%. So you've got that right. So now you have an interest revenue that you didn't get. This is the note receivable that you're removing. So they now have an accounts receivable of $48,960. Now they pay the darn thing, and they also get charged 10% on the full amount owed, which includes the interest. So how much do they owe us? $48,960. Of that $48,960, we have interest to charge. So what we do is we take the $48,960, we multiply it times the 10%, we then multiply that times the 30 days and divide that by 360 and come up with $480 in additional interest they owe us. So now what do we do? Okay, so I have all these numbers. So first of all, they're going to pay us. So they're going to pay us the $48,960 plus the $408. So that's your cash. This has to be the amount in accounts receivable, the $48,960. I just put that in the wrong one, sorry. Goes right here, $48,960. And then we have this new interest revenue of $408. And then you would put your cash in here. Does that help a little bit? Let me see. Let me zip this to you and you'll find out.